Okay, this is a simple video of office remixing. So let's start with the office bus. Okay, so first you log in, you extract email. This is an office bus. So first you extract the email addresses. So I have a tool that I use in my RDP to extract email addresses. So once license is entered, it will be like this. Then you come to this email source. Then you have a list of all email server. Then you choose Office 365. Office 365. Then you log in with the bus with login details. You still ask to enter login details here. These are other ones I've done. So if it's you now, it won't show those ones. So you just log in here with the office bus. Then you go copy the password. Enter the password. I use this in my RDP, so it will be very fast. It gives faster result on RDP. So that's why I use this software here. So you accept it like this and it will load. Connecting, load all folders in the office bus, and then after, let's wait for it to load. Okay, so this is the folder where it will be saved in. So you just scroll up, tick on the Office 365 so it will check all buses, then find in contact there. So what you do next is click on backup. So it starts looking for contact. You understand? So I won't make this video long. So for the sake of this video, I'll just skip this part and assume that I've extracted all the contact. It will do everything from all folders. See, it's detecting it's in deleted items now. From there to go to draft, inbox, from inbox, sent message and all. It won't even take time. So but before then, let's continue. Let's assume we've extracted all emails. And here are the emails extracted. Let's say, let me look for one that I've done already. So it will give you a result like this. So just open with Notepad++. Okay, so let's assume these are the emails extracted. So Control A everything. You need to filter all the emails extracted. So open light 14. And also let me continue this in my so that it will just be open light 1.7 at 1.7 and input all the email address here. Then what you do now, trying to filter, so to come separate by new line, then only extract email containing, you choose do not extract, you won't extract Gmail, so just Gmail, see some Gmail here, so you click extract, then go here, copy everything, return, put them back here. See now I have 1109 contacts, so I'll remove, I'll not extract Yahoo, then click extract again. See I have 911. Then copy everything, come back to this side, paste them, then I'll type in no reply. I'll not extract that, extract. See I have 909. Copy everything back, come to this side, paste them, then I'll still put in this dash for no reply again. There are emails like this too. Okay, 909, then copy everything, paste them here. Then I'll still enter postmaster, extract. Okay, there's no postmaster. Then and I'll still go through it and see what I can take out. At times that you see some folder, something like PNG, JPEG, you extract, you clean them off. You understand? So let's see. So I'm trying to glance through all of it and see if the images are clean. So let's assume they are clean already. So you try extracting, look for PNG, some PNG images, you see them, extract. Okay, I'll extract 906. Then extract JPEG, JPG 904. Okay. Let's assume this is our image now. So next step is to come to light 1.4. You open light 1.4 also. Okay, make it a little bit bigger. That's what I like doing. Stretch it a little. Okay, then paste in my image. Then separate order, put order, then put this sign here. Then group 20. You have to send 20 each, 20 email each. Then you click extract. So you've filtered your image successfully. So this is it. These are the images from this bus. Let's assume these are the images from this bus. Okay, so now is to send that. So before sending out, there's a preview, there's a file you will edit, something like this. You edit to the bank and to the bus company logo and the contact of the same bus. You understand? Then the link, edit your link. So let's see. I want to check if those ones are finished extracted. Okay, not yet. Still extracting. So now let's move forward now. So by editing this is how it is done here. So the company name is Rashmi Group. So but let's be sure, even if it's not Rashmi, you use the domain to find the company. Like, okay, it's affiliated to Rashmi covid.co.in. So you go to a new tab, type Google. This is how you do search for the logo and replay to put in your box. So enter the site, come to image, is related to Rashmi groups. Okay, so in most cases, if you can't get the image, you either use Rashmi get. So covid.co.in. So in this case, in my case, I can use Rashmi group. It's here. So let me get that of Rashmi. Okay, see it here. So I'll just copy any image, copy image. So then place it with this, delete, paste, Ctrl P, pasting. Then try rolling this upward a little, making it look simple. Then get the contacts and the signature. So I'm getting the contact name of the boss. So I come to the send message. So I see person signature used. Okay, this is the person signature. You understand? This is it. So this is the signature here. So I just come here, copy it, and still check on the contact name. Somanovin Chen. Somanovin Chandra. See the name here. Somanovin Chandra. This is the contact name also. So we have sales manager. So let me put it this way. Let me go edit this. What I'll do now is clear off everything here, paste in a signature. So copy the name here, replace the name with Soma. Soma. Chandra. So my name is Chandra and sent you a message. Click download button to download. Okay, something like this. This is how the document will be like. National group. Okay, so the link now. Click on edit link. So edit to your own. This is my own link to post to Telegram. Let me test. If I try to, this is a redirect to my major link. Be sure that it doesn't, it's not on red flag. So you test your link. Let's see, let me test it with this. See, it will post to my Telegram. This is how it's gonna look. Okay? The link. See, it will post to my Telegram. Still input password. Still report. It then collect password twice. Still report my Telegram. Okay. So my link is okay. So this is the link. I'll leave it that way. Okay. Okay. So everything is okay now. So I've edited this. So what I'll do now, I'll just copy the name of the job title, use it and save it with it. So file, save as area 6 manager, send you a message. So this one will be save as PDF. Then save it probably on your desktop or anywhere you can easily access. Let me save on my desktop as PDF. Okay. All right. So this is how it's gonna look like after everything is done with your link active on it. Okay. Let me test again. See, connecting to a secure file, blah blah blah. Then boom. That's it. Okay. So now let's jump into the next step. Now spread remaxing. So if you are ready to remax, you come and filter the contact. This is what you do. Come to these settings so that if you have any bounce email or anything that is any inbox, they will come to the filtered section. You add the new rules, give it any name. Just put I. Then click on select the condition. Click on apply to all message. Then tap on this. Then click mark as read. Add another one. Then click delete. Choose delete. Save. So you've added a new rule to make sure that any new incoming message should be marked as read and deleted. So if you are remaxing, it won't show any error for any message that comes in. So now let's jump into remaxing. So this is what you do. PDF you made, you come to OneDrive, from the symbols, I'll ask you to log in again sometimes. So you come to my files on OneDrive, then create or upload. Click on create or upload, then file upload. Create file upload, then look for it on your desktop. Okay, it might ask to sign again, so it's just resign here. create file upload. That's what you enter, not folder upload. This is it on your desktop. Here says manager send you a message. Okay, upload it, and once it's done, it will appear here. You see it here. Then next, you tap on it to open in a new tab. Then you're almost ready to Remax. So what you do next is tap on share. Then make sure you check here. Anytime you're sharing, put it on can view only. Then your image you've arranged 2020, you copy the first, cut it, come here, paste it. I don't want to start sending with this box because this is not this contact. Okay, so I'm waiting for that other contact, so we upload it. So we click on send. Once sent, okay, let me just put it for test. Click on send. You see most cases I even do this on my RDP to make it faster. This is my main PC, that's why it's kind of slow. We invited 20 people. You click on cancel, you still click on share. The same method you repeat. You copy the other one, the other 20 to S. You need to do this very fast because the boss might change password, because you try to remax when they are currently in office, you start getting results immediately. You understand? So that's it. Sometimes if you paste this, you might get errors. They'll say some contacts delete blah blah blah. Highlighted is not you just search for the one that highlighted in red, then you clear it, delete, then it will allow you to send. Click on send. Before sending, make sure it's here and here. Then click on send. So this is how you Remax. It's as simple as that. So it will come to the sent folder now. You get any inbox that comes in, you go to the deleted folder. Okay, so that is how it works. So as simple as that. So my emails, let's see if okay, almost ready. Let me feel okay, inbox folder. So that's how it works. Simple way to Remax. So all you need to do, make sure your links are active and all that, you start receiving results inside your inbox, inside your Telegram. So that's that for that.